Good morning, children. This is your Maths ma'am, Uma. Okay. Hope you all enjoyed the last class. Yes. Did you like that story? Alligator story? Yes. Okay. What we learned previous class? Comparing numbers. Let's look at the board. 78, 94, 81, 62. See, four numbers I am writing here, right? See, here in the 78, which is in the ones place. Yes, which is in the ones place here. 8 in ones place. And 7 in tens place. Right. In this number, which is in the ones place. Yes. 4 in ones place, 9 in tens place. Here 1 in ones place, 8 in tens place. What about in this number 62? 2 in ones place, 6 in tens place. Okay. See, in this set of numbers, which is the greatest number? Shall we help the alligator to eat the? Yes. Which alligator loves which number? Yes. Greater number, right? Shall we help the alligator to eat the greatest number? Yes. How will we find out which is the greatest number from these numbers? See, in 78, 8 is in ones place, 7 tens place. Right, so 78. See, from 7 and 8, which is greatest number, 7 or 8? 8. Okay, here 94, which is the greatest number, 9, 4. 9, 4, which is the greatest number here? Yes, 9. In this 81. Which is the greatest number? 8. Here 62. Which is the greatest number here? 6. Now you look at the place values now. Here 7 and 8. Which place values number is greater here? Tens ones place. Like ones place greatest number. Here. Yes, 94, which place value is the greatest number here? In ones place or in tens place? Yes, in tens place. So, okay, now see all the set of numbers. In among these four numbers, which tens value? Tens place value the number aana greater number? Yes, tell me. Yes. 94. Yes, 9 tens place 9 ആണ് ഇവിടെ ഈ ഉള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സിൽ greatest number അല്ലേ? So first you have to write this 94. Okay, now again check out. Now this number we take here. So among the three numbers in tens value, now we are going to look only the place value which is in tens place. See, 7, 8, 6. Which is the greatest number here? 7, 8 and 6? Yes, 81. So write here 81. Okay, now this 81 we will write here. Now in 78 and 62. Look at the place value tens. Here 7 is in the tens place and 6 is in the tens place. So which is the greatest number here? Yes, 78, right? 78. Then the last one, 62. Yes. So among these four numbers, two-digit numbers, which is the first greatest number? 94. Then second greatest, 81. Then 78, then 62. Okay, we know how to put this simple. So now alligator, how it will be open its mouth towards the greatest number? This side or this side? Yes? 94 and 81, which is the greatest number? This side, right? Yes. Open towards this side. Here 81 and 78. 81. Again 78 and 62. Yes. It opened its mouth towards this side. This side? No. See? This side. So now we form these numbers like this. See above 94, 81, 78, 62. In which order we arrange these numbers? In which order? Koodi aanu varunathu oro numberum? No. It's decreasing order. See 94, 81. See here now the tens value. Everyone is decreasing. So what will we say? Yes, descending order. Okay, this is descending order. So how will we, if we are given this 4 set of 2-digit numbers, how will we find out which is greatest number? And one by one like this, using the place value tens first. Tens place ilulla ഏത് നമ്പർ ആണോ ഉള്ളത് ആ നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഫസ്റ്റ് കമ്പയർ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുക. അതിൽ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഏതാണോ ഗ്രേറ്റസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ യു ഹാവ് ടു ഫസ്റ്റ് റൈറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, like if you write like this, we get ordering the numbers in descending order. Ordering the numbers in descending order. Okay, let me see one more example. Okay, see here what are the numbers? Spell it. 21, 43, then 89. Now you give the place value for these numbers. 1 in which place? Yes, 1's place, 10's place. Okay, like this we have to give assigning places to these numbers. Now from these 3 numbers, which is the smallest number? Smallest. See 2, 1. You write 2, 1. Which is greater, 2 or 1? Yes, 2. Okay, now 4 and 3. Which is the greatest number? 4. Okay, here 89. Which is the greatest number here? 8 or 9? Here the 1's place. This is greater number. Okay, now you see only the 10's place now. So which is the 10's place? Which is the greatest number here? 2, 4, 3. Sorry, 8. Yes, 8. 89. So first number is 89. Then see the place value which is the greatest here. Yes, 43. 4, 3. Next 20. Okay, now how will you put the simples here? Greater than, like this. Okay, this is descending order. Now same numbers how will we write in the ascending order? What is ascending order? You know already, right? Yes, it is gradually increases 1 by 1. Yes, smallest to the greatest number. See among these which is the smallest number here? Yes, we know it is 21. Next. Yes, 43. Next, 89. So how will we put the symbol here now? Greater than symbol? Yes, 43 is greater and 43 and 89. 89 is the greater. So this is what? If we assigning like this is what? Ordering numbers. What is this? Ordering numbers. Here we are ordering in descending order and here it is ascending order. Okay? Okay, did you understand this? Okay, how will we assigning? How will we know which is the greatest number among these numbers? Now we have to see the place value, which is in ones place, which is in tens place, which is greater, which is smaller. Okay? Okay. Now one more example, 31, 36 and 39. See here the place value which is in ones and tens. Yes, here in the set of these three numbers, the place value which is in tens are all same, right? 3, 3, 3. So how will we identify which is the greatest number among these? Yes, using the next place value, that is ones. Ones value ഉള്ളതിൽ ഏത് നമ്പർ ആണോ ഇതിൽ കൂടുതൽ അതായിരിക്കും ഫസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേറ്റസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ അല്ലേ? അതേപോലെ വൺസ് വാല്യൂ ഏറ്റവും ചെറുതായിരിക്കും ഇതിലത്തെ സ്മോളസ്റ്റ് നമ്പേഴ്സ്. Okay, so when all the digits in the tens value are in same numbers, you have to look at to the next place value which is ones. Okay, so now you write in ascending both in descending order. See which is this biggest number here? 39, then 36, then 31. This is what? Descending order. Next, in the ascending order, how will we write? First smallest number, then biggest number, then the very biggest number. Yes, put this simple like this. Okay, so whenever we are ordering numbers or comparing numbers, first what we have to see? Yes, the place value. The place value of the two digit we have to compare it. Okay. So what concept we learned from this? Ordering numbers. Okay, in ascending order and descending order. Next, see if 9 and 4. If we are giving two numbers to you and you have to form a two-digit numbers using these two numbers, how will we write 9 and 4? Yes, we can write 9 4. Yes, 9 4. How will we spell it? 94. Again 4 9. What is this? 49. So if any two numbers we are giving, we have to form a two-digit numbers like shuffling the place value. See here, what is the place value of 4 here? Ones and 9 in tens. What about in 49? 9 in ones place and 4 in tens place. If we shuffle the place value to this side and this side, we will get two-digit numbers. Okay, this is what forming a two-digit numbers if they are giving two numbers to you. See, again one more example. 33 and 8. How will we form? See here. Okay, we put 3 in ones place and 8 in tens place. So what number we get? 83. Again we put 3 in tens place and 8 in ones place. So we got 38. Yes. So what we did here? These two numbers we put two place values in opposite direction. Right? 3 in ones place, 8 in tens place we got 83. 3 in tens place and 8 in ones place got 83. Okay. Let me see one more example, children. See, if giving 6 and 6, what will happen here? Yes, Think 6, 6. If this 6 into 1's place and again one more 6 in 10's place. Yes, 1's place, 10's place. Again if we shuffling, what will we get? We get the same number, 66. So if we get two different numbers, we will shuffling the 1's and 10's value, we get two different numbers. Two different numbers. But same numbers if we get means what will we get? Same number only. Only one number we are able to form. Okay? Only one numbers we are able to form. Okay? 6, 6, 66. If we got 2 and 2, what will happen? Only we are able to form 22 in 1's place and 10's place. If we shuffling like this, here 2, this 2 into this 2, what will again we get? 22 only. So same numbers if we get, we only form 1 2-digit numbers. Okay? If it is two different numbers means we get two different 2-digit numbers. What is this concept? Forming 2-digit numbers using two different numbers and two same numbers, equal numbers. Okay? Okay children, if someone asks you that in which class you are studying, someone asks you in which class you are studying, what will we say? In 1 class, in 2 class, like that? Yes? No. What will be answer? Yes, I am studying in 2nd standard. Right? I am studying in 2nd standard. Okay, what about your brother? In which class he is studying? So what will be answer? In 5 class. Like that? No. What will be answer? My brother is studying in, yes, instead of 5, what will be used? 5th. What will be used there? 5th. Okay, that is, in which class you are studying means you will answer 2nd. Is it 2? I am studying in 2 class. Like this you will be answer? No, it is wrong way. What will be answer here? I am studying in 2nd standard. Right? Okay, if there is a sports competition is going on there. Okay, if your friend once run into 1st place, what is the position of that friend? In 1 place, what will we say? My friend won? Yes, 1st place, right? My friend won 1st prize in running race. We will say it is 1 place? No. So this 1st, 2nd, I am studying in 3rd standard. My sister is studying in 8th standard. Likewise, what is that? 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Likewise, what will be that numbers called as? Do you know? Yes, this is ordinal numbers. What is that? Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? നമ്മൾ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു സാധനത്തിന് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു പേഴ്സണിന് ഒരു പൊസിഷൻ കൊടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അതിനെന്താ പറയുക നമ്മൾ? Ordinal numbers. These 1, 2, 3 are what? This is numbers. Cardinal numbers. That is what? Cardinal numbers or just numbers. Okay. But if we are giving a position, that is what? 1st, 2nd. It means it is ordinal numbers. What are these? Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. See, if you are going to some mall or anything, okay, if we are using lift there, so what will be? It will be safe it going on increasing. You reach now 1 floor. Yes? No. What will be say? You reach 1st floor. Right? Then Now you reach second floor, then third floor, like this. So ordinal numbers only it will be using. See here. What are these, children? Yes, read the spelling. What are these? Yes, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. What are these? Yes, days of the week. See here, if I am asking you, among these 7 days, which is the 4th day? I will ask, which among these, which is the 4th day? Like this? No. Okay. Among these days of the week, which is the 4th day? Let's count. How to write here? First, Monday is the, yes, second, and Tuesday, third, Wednesday, yes, fourth, Thursday, fifth, Friday is the 6th day of the week, and Saturday is the 7th. Okay. So among these, so which is the 4th day of the week? Yes, it is Wednesday. How will be first means? F-I-R-S-T, first. Second. This is how we will write in expanded form. Third. Seventh. See here, fifth. What the spelling of five? F-I-V-E and third. Like this, it is wrong. Okay, you have to like this. So if we are assigning or giving position to something or a person or objects, what will be used here? Ordinal numbers. What are ordinal numbers? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. What are these? Those are ordinal numbers. Let me sing a rhymes now. Yes, about ordinal numbers. Yes, all are fed up sitting in one place and watching the video, right? Okay, now all of you stand up from your place. Yes. Okay, now all of you hands up, hands down. Close your eyes, open, okay, roll your hands, slowly, slowly, fast. Okay, now all got some energy right now. Okay, now what we learn now? What concept we learn now? Yes, ordinal numbers. Okay, shall we write the? Shall we sing the rhymes? Yes. Okay. What are ordinal numbers? First, second, 11. Okay, now first, second, third and fourth. Sing me together. Sing with me together. First, second, third and fourth. Jump. Okay. Fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. Clap your hands. Once more. First, second, third and fourth. Jump. Fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Clap your hands. Those are ordinal numbers. Say, those are ordinal numbers. Once more. First, second, third and fourth. Jump. Fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Clap your hands. Those are ordinal numbers. And they go like this. How they will go? Go first, go second, go third, go fourth, go fifth, go sixth, go seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. Okay, see, look at the board, children. Now, which is in the fourth place? Look at the board. What are the things here? Duck, fish, cat, a flower and a joker. Now, among these objects, which is in the fourth place? Tell me, which is in the fourth place? Okay, now give the position. First place, fish is in the second place. Yes, cat is in the third place. Flower is in the fourth place. And joker is in the fifth place. Now, which is in the fourth place here? Yes, flower. Right. Which is in the first place here? It is duck. So, how will we give the ordinal numbers or position to the objects or numbers or anything? From extreme left side. From the extreme left to the right, we are giving ordinal numbers or the position to the objects or numbers or anything. Okay, from which side? From the extreme left side. From left to right, we are giving the position. Okay, ordering numbers. How will we write the ordinal numbers here? Yes, from the left side it is first, which is the last here, fifth. So from left to the right. Okay, so what are ordinal numbers? First, second, third and fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, yes, eighth, ninth and 10th. Those are ordinal numbers. Those are ordinal numbers. Okay, now you got what is ordinal numbers, from where we are giving the position, from which side? From the extreme left to the right. Okay. See, imagine this is a button. Okay, if we are pairing this, see, 4 buttons are here. Set of 2 and set of 2. 2, 2. 4 buttons. So, we are setting into 2 sets. Right? So, 2, 4. 2. How many buttons are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what's the number here? 4. What number is here? How many buttons are here? 2. Total 4. So, if 4 buttons or 4 things in our hand, how will we share among the 2 persons? 2 for you and 2 for me. Yes? If there is anything balanced there? No. Yes? We equally share the things which is in our hand. So, 2 and 4. So, what number is this? If we are able to share equally the given thing in our hand, what's that number? Yes, even number. What number is that? Even number. See one more example. If we have 6 buttons with me, I have 6 buttons with me. How will we set this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 buttons in my hand. How I share with me and to my friend? How will I share? See, it's my hand. This is my friend hand. How I share this equally? Okay, this 1 button here, 2 button here, 3 button here. Again, in this, to my friend, I will cut this button here, this button here, this button here. Yes, if I have 6 buttons in my hand, I will share 3 like 3 items equally I am able to share it. So 6. So what number is this? 6. If we are able to share equally, what will the number called? Even numbers. What's the number called? Even numbers. So what are even numbers? You studied in first standard and UKG already, right? 0, yes, 2, equally shared here, 4, then 6, then what will be the next number? It will be, yes, 8, then 10, so on. So when we are able to share equally the things which is in our hand, it is called even numbers. It is called, yes, even numbers. Okay, now see, I have here, how many triangles are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How I share this among 2 people? How I share? See, 1, 2. I will take this. Again, this 2. What about this? It is, yes, it is remaining here. Is this triangle has any friend or anything? No, it is standing alone. But all other 4 we will able to share it equally. So what happened here? One triangle is balancing. So how many triangles are here? What number is that? Yes, 5. So what will be this 5 number will be? Yes, that is odd number. That is odd number. So what are odd numbers? You know already. 1, 3. See here 2 only in even number. Which number is here in between 0 and 2? Yes, 1. So 1 is in odd number. Now 2. 2 already in the which column? Yes, even number. So 2 is not in odd number, we know. Then 2, what the next number here? 4. So 2 and 3. What is the in between number 2 and 4? Yes, 3. So what the number 3 in odd number? Let's see, 4 and 6 are here. What the in between number between 4 and 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 after? Yes, 5. So 5 in odd number. Next 6, 8. What will come in between 6 and 8? Yes, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 7. Then likewise you have to write it. So these are odd numbers. Odd numbers we can't able to share equally. Okay, but even number we are able to share equally. Okay, now we got what is odd number and what is even number, right? Okay, so what is ordinal number? Is this 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4? No, first, second, third. It is what? Ordinal numbers. So in this session, what are the topics we learned? Ordinal numbers and odd and even numbers. Okay, now your first chapter, that is numbers up to 100. This is your first chapter. It coming to wind up. Okay, it completed. Now in the interaction session, I will give you the practice work we will do. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding these topics, you just clarify them. Okay, bye bye children. Thank you.